Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your YouTube search history, not to be confused with your watch history. So it's actually a very simple process. What you want to do is you want to go here, and then you want to go ahead and click on history. Now, as you can see, we have two types of history. So one is watch history and the other one is search history. You want to click on search history. As you can see, I've put in some different results. I searched some prototype topics before I started recording, just to give you guys an idea of how it works. You can do this in two ways. So you can delete a single video that you search. So I can delete this one by, as you can see, it says remove from search history. So if I click that, as you can see, it's gone. Or you can do a clean search history, which basically means clearing everything that you have on your computer just as a whole. And in order to do that, you go and you clear all search history. Your YouTube search history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. So whatever Windows, Android, any device that you have it on, this could work for all of them. And you just got to go in and you got to click clear search history. And as you can see, my search history is empty. That is how you clear your YouTube search history. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section, and you can also check out these videos that you might find equally useful. I will see you later. Bye bye.